Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's check out how to cancel the follow request inside Instagram. So, have you ever accidentally sent a follow to request of someone you didn't meant to, or maybe you have sent thousands of requests over the months and you wanted to clear out the ones that you were never accepted? So today, let's see how we can actually get started. First thing is to go with quick cancel, which is the single profile. If you know exactly who you requested to follow the process instant, you can use the search bar to go directly to the profile. And let's say, for example, here directly inside my Instagram, what I'm going to do here is to go directly into a new tab. Let's go for searched. Now let's go and look out for just something like this. And what I'm going to be doing here is to try to aim for a user profile that has, let's say, for example, a private account, right? Let's say like this. If this one is public, you can click into the option that says follow. Just like that, we are now becoming a new follower of this one. But I wanted to go for the option that says unfollow, and we're actually good to go. Let's try out with another account that does not have a public account. If I found this element, it might be saying this account is private. For this, I'm going to go for the option that says follow. Now, automatically this will be appearing this option that says requested. So I will be receiving, or let's say the other person will be receiving an actual request for this actual element. So if you enter this specific account and you'll see a gray button that says requested, just simply tap it again, and it says if you change your mind, you'll have to request to follow again. So I'm going to hit into the option that says unfollow, and the notification will be undone and they will no longer see that into their notifications. Now the second method is to find the hidden list of the sent request. But if you have sent hundreds of requests that you can't remember the names, Instagram doesn't show this in a simple menu anymore. So you have to request your account data. For this, you want to focus directly into your account. Let's go for the three lines that appears in here and enter the account settings. Directly inside here, the account settings, you want to scroll down and tap into the information and permissions that you might be finding directly inside here. Or what you can see is the element that says website permissions, or the achieving and downloading. So you wanted to download your own information. So I can look out once again for the achieving and downloading and save my story to achieved, saving to archive, like this. Now, if you choose to download or transfer all the actual information, some of your information you can be saving this. You can scroll to the list and check the box followers and following. This is the only data we'd actually need, and you hit for the option that says next. Usually what you can do, in my case of course I don't have this available because this is brand new, an actual brand new account, but what you can do directly here into your information, you can just look out once again for the option that says export your information, your activity of specific partners, or management context. So you can go for export your information, create the actual export to the external device, and you wanted to, let's say for example, use Google Drive for example, right? So just select that element, select yourself. Here have the date range, the format, the media quality, customize information. What you can do is to clear all of this. And once again, I'm going to try to aim for the followers and following. So I'm going to clear all of this. Clear. There we go. And go for done. And go for start the actual export. Just like that, I just need to enter the security passcode and hit for continue. Once you have done this, you can unzip this specific file and look for the folder called connections and followers and followings. Inside that, what you can do now is to cancel the request from the actual list. So inside that folder, you can open the file name, and this opens a web page on your phone or the PC showing the exact username of everyone who hasn't accepted you requested it yet. So I'm going to close this, close once again, and we're actually good to go. So we just need to wait till we have the information from Instagram. We download that information and just click directly into the upper links of the followers and unfollows that we have done so far. So currently Instagram does not have a cancel all button, so you have to do this manually for each name on your list. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this tutorial. If you find a most easiest solution, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time. See you soon.